Welcome to Channel Tech in Resham. Today, we are going to discuss an open-source database called MySQL. We are going to look at some SQL statements, but to learn more about SQL, please refer to https://www.w3schools.com/mysql/default ASP website. First, we need to know the IP address of the container. To find out, we run the IP command in the MySQL LXC container shell. The IP address of our container is 10.10.30.29. Copy the IP and address and go to the browser and enter http://10.103029/PhpMyAdmin. PhpMyAdmin is a web administration tool for MySQL databases. You can create databases, create tables, insert records, select records, and many more. To get the login details for our case, we need to run the cat mysql.creds command, which throws out the username and password. Use this login detail to log in to PhpMyAdmin. Let's try to create a DB called DB1, and we can see it is successful. We are not going to use PhpMyAdmin. Instead, we are going to use SQL Workbench. Go to the Oracle website to download and install it. Once installed, we need two logins. One SSH login for the server and another DB login, which we already have when we try PhpMyAdmin. To create a root password in our container or any Linux system, enter sudo password root and enter the same password twice, and it is successfully changed. You need to enable root login in the SSH config and restart the SSH server. Test it on a terminal to see if you can SSH to the MySQL server. If yes, we proceed to MySQL Workbench and enter the SSH hostname, server IP, username, root, password, SSH password you created, and MySQL remains default. Change the username and password and test the connection. If successful, click OK. Once logged in, I write a couple of SQL statements to demonstrate. The first one is to create a new database by using create database DB name. To view a list of databases in MySQL server, you can execute the show database command. If you want to delete a database, you can use the drop database DB name command. Please note that dropping a database can't roll back unless you do it from your backup server. If you want to select a database to work on, you use the use database command. Next, we create a table using the table name, field name, and its corresponding data types. If we run a select on that table, it is empty because nothing is added or inserted to it. Let's insert a simple record by using the insert into command. Finally, we drop the database people. This is just a scratch of MySQL. To learn more about MySQL, please head to https://www.w3schools.com/mysql/default.asp. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on this video or wish to learn something else, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.